process of manufacturing basketballs involves several steps, from sourcing materials to the final assembly of the ball. Here's an overview of how basketballs are typically made. Material selection. The primary materials used in basketball manufacturing are rubber or synthetic leather for the outer cover, nylon or polyester for the winding, and butyl or latex for the inner bladder. Manufacturers carefully select these materials for quality and durability. Cutting panels. The outer cover of the basketball is made up of panels, traditionally 8 panels, but this can vary. The panels are cut from large sheets of synthetic leather or rubber using die-cutting machines. Each panel is identical in shape to ensure uniformity. Printing. Manufacturers often apply branding, logos, or other designs to the panels using screen printing or other techniques before assembly. Winding. Nylon or polyester thread is wound around the bladder, typically made of butyl or latex, to form the inner core of the basketball. This winding process helps give the ball its shape and bounce characteristics. Molding. The panels are then aligned and placed around the wound bladder. These panels are often glued together and sometimes stitched for added durability. The ball is placed into a mold and heated to bond the panels together. Vulcanization. In this stage, the assembled basketball undergoes a process called vulcanization, where it is heated to the materials and strengthen the bonds between them. This process also helps in shaping the ball and ensuring consistent bounce. Quality control. After manufacturing, basketballs undergo rigorous quality control checks. This includes checking for weight, size, bounce, and visual defects. Any imperfect balls are discarded. Packaging. Quality control is passed. The basketballs are inflated, inspected one last time, and then packaged for distribution. It's important to note that manufacturing processes can vary slightly between different manufacturers and depending on whether the basketballs are intended for professional, recreational, or promotional use. The goal of basketball manufacturing is to produce balls that meet the required standards for playability, durability, and consistency.